I do want to thank Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. I so appreciate your help.
I just love what you're doing, and I just, if I can just comment, please. I know I have a commitment at 2, but I'm going to work this out. When my son and I were abandoned, he was just 3, and I moved into the role of trying to be the best dad I could be. So I was, do the sports, do the hardware, wash the car, all this other stuff. Then here we are years and years later, I met my current husband here, and his wife had premenopausal breast cancer. So she died really early and left him with a little 6-year-old boy. And he set out to be the best mom he could. He would make his son, salad for dinner, and I don't know what he was trying to cook this, and they baked muffins, and what's really kind of cute, when we met each other, it seemed like a match made in heaven, right? We've got mommy, daddy, 2 kids, and we're both doing both ends of the parenting. But anyway, we did some counseling, and the counselor had said, well, Catherine, you've turned out to be the best dad ever. And Stephen, you've turned out to be the best mom ever. Because we just overcompensated rather than lack. And without that conscious zone of, I always had sports things in the back of the car for, to get out and get some exercise and stuff. And so it was a very, very interesting experiment to get that comment from a professional, but I can seriously see some of the comments put in there. I had no idea really what my son was going through, being abandoned at 3, because he really didn't have a strong guy relationship with my ex, and they reconnected for a little bit when he got older, but again, his dad died before 25. So yeah, it's just hard on the boys. And he's alone today. He's still alone today. He's 42, and he's, not having a good life as far as I can see. So yeah, this stuff that you're doing is just really, really great. So I just wish you all the best, and I'm going to sign off. Okay.
Thanks. Bye-bye.